What's the meaning of atomic mass? Atomic mass. Atomic mass.
Atomic mass. Atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element is the total mass of all the protons, neutrons, and electrons that make up an atom of that element. It is usually expressed in atomic mass units, AMU. The atomic mass of an element is important because it determines its chemical properties and how it interacts with other elements. For example, the atomic mass determines the number of valence electrons in an atom, which influences its reactivity and bonding behavior. Additionally, the atomic mass can be used to calculate the average mass of an element's isotopes.